No feedback rows yet, so this is guess 1. I accepted the cookie banner, then clicked the search field. I'm typing a distinctive, well-known movie title Inception to open the suggestion list. I'll pick the row and submit in the next batch after seeing suggestions. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with a down arrow, meaning target is older more than 2 years before 2010, so before 2008. Rating 8.8 is red with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi all show gray, so none overlap with target. Actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page and director Nolan show no highlight, so none on target. Constraints, movie, released for 2008, rating below 8.8, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card green for Inception movie, target medium equals movie. Constraints, older than 2008, rating below 8.8, not action/adventure/sci-fi. The Godfather 1972 is a crime/drama classic, much older, rating 9.2 though too high. Instead let me pick something older with lower rating. Actually rating must be below 8.8, so Godfather 9.2 is wrong direction. I'll choose Forrest Gump instead. Reconsidering, I'll type Forrest to get a strong drama classic older than 2008 with rating 8.8ish. I'll go with Godfather typed but select carefully, changing to a safer probe. I'll type and pick the top row then submit. Type card is green for the Godfather movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1972 is red with down arrow, mean target is older than 1972 more than 2 years, so before 1970. Rating 9.2 is red with down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 9.2. Genres crime and drama or gray no overlap. Actors Brando, Pacino, Khan and director Coppola no highlight. Combined with prior Inception, constraints, movie, older than 1970, rating below 8.8 and below 9.2, not action/adventure/sci-fi/crime/drama. Avoid Inception and Godfather. Type card green for the Godfather movie, target medium equals movie. Constraints, older than 1970, rating below 8.8, not crime/drama/action/adventure/sci-fi. This points to older classics in other genres like romance, comedy, musical, or thriller. Casablanca 1942, drama/romance is a strong probe for the pre-1970 era. Though it has drama, it also has romance/war genres and tests the earlier era. I type Casablanca, select the top row, and submit. Type card is green for Casablanca movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1943 is red with up arrow, meaning target is newer than 1943 more than 2 years, so after 1945. Rating 8.5 is red with down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.5 below 8.0. Genres drama, romance, war all gray no overlap. Actors Bogart, Bergman, Henry and director Curtis no highlight. Combined with prior constraints from Godfather, older than 1970, but newer than 1943, so roughly 1946-1969, rating below 8.0, not drama/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi/romance/war. Likely a comedy, musical, western, or thriller from the 1950s-60s. Avoid Inception, Godfather, Casablanca. Type card green for Casablanca movie, target medium equals movie. Constraints, year newer than 1943 but older than 1970 so 1946-1969, rating below 8.0, not drama/romance/war/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi. This strongly suggests a comedy or musical from the 1950s-60s. Some like it hot 1959, comedy fits the era and genre gap well. I type it, select the top row, and submit. Type card is green for Some Like It Hot movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1959 is red with down arrow, meaning target is older than 1959 more than 2 years, so before 1957. Rating 8.2 is red with down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.2 below 7.7. Genres comedy, music, romance all gray no overlap. Actors Monroe, Curtis, Lemon and director Billy Wilder no highlight. Combined with prior constraints, movie, year, between 1946 and 1957, rating below 7.7, not comedy/music/romance/war/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi. Likely western, thriller, horror or musical/fantasy from late 1940s mid 1950s. Avoid Inception, Godfather, Casablanca, Some Like It Hot. Type card green for Some Like It Hot movie, target medium equals movie. Constraints, year 1946-1957, rating below 8.2 below 7.7, not comedy/music/romance/drama/war/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi. The field is empty now, guess 4 of 10, button disabled. I'll type Rear Window 1954, mystery/thriller which fits the era and untested genre. This turn I only type and wait to confirm the drop down before clicking the exact row, breaking the loop pattern. Type card is green for Rear Window movie, so target medium equals movie. Genres drama, mystery, thriller all appear gray no overlap. Actors James Stewart, Grace Kelly, Wendell Corey and director Alfred Hitchcock show no highlight. A pixelated poster hint is now available. From prior constraints, year 1946-1957, rating below 7.7, not comedy/music/romance/drama/war/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi/mystery/thriller. Remaining plausible genres, western, horror, fantasy, musical, animation, adventure. The pixelated poster shows a colorful, possibly animated/fantasy image which could hint at a Disney animated film like Peter Pan or Lady and the Tramp. Avoid Inception, Godfather, Casablanca, Some Like It Hot, Rear Window. Type card green for Rear Window movie, target medium equals movie. Rear Window year 1954 red with down arrow, so target is older than 1954 before tilde 1952. Rating 8.5 red down arrow, target rating below 8.0. Genres drama/mystery/thriller gray, so target, movie, before tilde 1952. Rating below 8.0, not drama/mystery/thriller/comedy/romance/war/crime/action/adventure/sci-fi/music. Poster looks colorful/animated. A Disney animated film like Cinderella 1950, animation/family/fantasy fits perfectly. I type Cinderella and wait to confirm drop-down before selecting. Solved it. The answer was Cinderella 1950 and 6 S's for a score of 312. The year arrows kept pushing Neo older into the early 1950s while the rating stayed modest around 7.3, and once every mainstream genre like drama, comedy, and thriller came back gray, the trail pointed straight at a Disney animation, musical, fantasy classic. Nice win.